I see again. I'm here in Canada, Saskatchewan at Highway 37. Okay, so we are in KFC for lunch. Okay, because it's nice weather. I like to eat here instead in the work for my lunch because I like the hot and spicy food. Okay, so as you can see, the weather is nice. Some other place are cloudy. It's here, fresh air, near closing the highway at in front of drive-through KFC. Okay, so it's nice to eating here with fresh air. Okay, nice ambience with my previous company. Okay, so here in Canada, mixing windy, sunny, cloudy, it doesn't matter. That's the most important is your happy life, healthy life. Okay, so it's eating time now. Okay, so let's start to eating. Let's taste the hot chicken at KFC. Okay, with four pieces, one for me and the three for kids. Okay, that's it. With hot. Okay, that's what I like to buy every Tuesday here because the promo at Tuesday is special. Okay. Okay. It's easy to prepare. At KFC. Okay. Hot and spicy. Good. This is the quickest way to prepare your lunch. Okay. No need to rush in the morning. Tunis is special. Good. Okay. So that's it for now, guys. Hopefully you like it this vlog. I wanna see you to the video how the quickest way to eat near in Canada, Saskatchewan, close to your work or house. See, it's time to go now. Okay, so after eating, see what's inside. It's a one drumstick and one thigh with the price. It's so yummy, hot. My guali. With one ketchup. What can you say? That's why I like Tuesday special. Okay, it's cheap, hot. Wow. Amazing taste. May gali. Ay. See? That's important if you have a nice job, full-time job plus automatic overtime. You can do anything, okay? You can earn, you can buy what you want, eat what you want, go anywhere what you want. Okay. So for me, I don't want to waste my time. Okay. That's the most important. I want to come back, but the problem, the time limit of your work is, it's getting late or rush. So, as the weather is good, no problem. Okay. See the Thai? It's big and hot price. We had 8 minutes left. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and click the notification bell for the upcoming latest video for my YouTube channel. And to update the weather now, it's become cloudy, mixing south, a little bit sunny and windy. There's a possible now 50-50 chance it's raining. In my favorite spot. Megali. So see you guys. I'm almost done. Hopefully you like this video. Again, please click like and please click the notification bell and subscribe for upcoming videos to come for this week. And that's it for now. Okay, see you guys.